What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Fishing with Colton. Now, this video has already been recorded. I just didn't know that me and Brett were going to have this much success on catching creek chubs. Now, in the video, I say it's a white sucker because I used the fish brain app to tell me, but these are actually called creek chubs. So, you're going to hear numerous times that we call them, there's sometimes we call them creek chubs, and then sometimes we call them white suckers, but they are actually called creek chubs. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys at the end. Something's biting my lure. Or my worm. No, never mind. It's not nothing. It's the bottom.
Something just jumped down there?
Yeah. That ain't,
baby.
that ain't.
A chub.
Yep.
No?
Yep, it's a chub.
Dang, that's a bigger chub than I've ever caught.
It's a nice one.
I haven't caught one that size before. They're normally just little small teeny ones.
Man, look at the size of that thing.
I hate doing things.
Yeah, you can. I got another chub. I'm catching the chubs today. Bye, buddy. Come on, bobber. There's one. Another one. I ain't got time to waste on you. Come on. Later, little dude. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Eat it. Eat it. Another one. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Hey, the next thing I catch, I'm gonna put it on, oh God. Oh God. Oh God. I'll let this one swim around, and I'm gonna take a picture on Fish Brain just to see what these things are called. Did it get off?
Dude,
No.
had one.
No. Fish Brain. Come here, little dude. No, I want to know what kind of fish it is. This is a white sucker. That's what we're catching. I gotta get down there and wash my hands. I've caught too many fish already. Watch my bobber and tell me if it goes under. Oh. It has it. Cause I'm the best there is. I'm just kidding with you. If you need my spot, you can have it. Oh my goodness. Another one. To the no. Thumpy thump. Another one. Man, you know these white suckers are big when they're pulling drag. I'm gonna use these for trapping next season. Cause we gonna go hard next season. We going trapping hard next season, so get ready. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I caught a whole bunch of creek chub in this video, and I've heard they're really good bait for trapping. So I know next year when I get to trapping, I'm gonna go over there where I went fishing last time, or when I went fishing just right over here for creek chubs, and we're gonna put them in jars. We're gonna use them for trapping next year. Like I said in the video, we're gonna go hard next year for trapping. So if you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like on it, go down, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe button as well. Like I said, we're on this road to 400 subscribers, and kind of want to reach it this year. Kind of want to go higher than 400, but I'm just going to set myself at 400 for now. If we pass it, then great. So, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.